How to create a ClickBank account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and in this video, I'll show you the process for creating an account on ClickBank. To begin, open a new tab in your browser on your PC and type www.clickbank.com in the search bar. Then press Enter. This will redirect you to the official webpage of the ClickBank. Next, click on Sign Up on the right side of your screen. You'll be then taken to the sign up page where you need to provide the following details. Choose your country, type in your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and create a password for the account. Once all the details are filled in, click on Continue to the Terms and Conditions. Scroll down to the very end, click on Accept Terms and Conditions. After that, tick on the checkbox and join the ClickBank. Congratulations, you have successfully created a ClickBank account. This is how you can create a ClickBank account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.